Well, hey again, everyone. Bob from Hot Rock Central, and I just got in my new Genetry 24 volt 6 kW inverter. Just slapped it up there a little while ago, got it all hooked up, and it's working beautifully. And that's replacing my old Solimba 4 kW inverter, which is going to go into storage in an EMP-proof container in case the Russians give us an EMP attack. So if they do and knock out my two inverters, I'll have that back up there, and down there is a Grow Watt 6 kW 48 volt inverter, and that's going to go in storage EMP proof too, for the same reason. So anyways, coming up here not before too long, I'm going to do a review on these Genetry inverters. This one here I've had going on just about a year, and it hasn't even had a hiccup. It's been just running solid. So I'm going to go into more detail on everything, and hopefully this new one here will hold up the same after a year. So far I'm liking them, and really there's not much else on the market you can get that you can get customized like I've had these done. So anyways, that's it for this one, and I'll see you soon on the next video. Thanks for watching.